Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we've got another pack opening. My apologies. Today we're opening Lost Origins, so let's get straight into it. Lost Origins, now you see me, now you don't, get out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy, Torkoal. Huh. Well then, that's a nice pack. Ariza, Relicanth, Horsey, Shuppet, Shellos, Hisuian Growlithe, Slugma, Galarian Stunfisk, and a regular Malamar. But yeah, not the greatest pack. Hopefully we'll get better in the next one. But thank you all for watching, and have a good one.